फैजल अपने जब फैजल को बुलवा। और ये जरा दिखाइए मिस्टर रघुवंशी, ये जो पेज नंबर 19 में उन्होंने लिखा है ना इस बात को,
ये पढ़ रहा हूँ।
हाँ,
दिस इज टू सर्टिफाई दैट हिना खान, daughter of such and such, president of such and such, has renounced her present Muslim religion and has adopted Hindu religion on such and such Ghaziabad without any forced pressure. And
और इन्होंने लिख दिया सर्टिफिकेट में
डिक्लेरेशन।
ये सर्टिफिकेट आपने किस एक्ट में जारी किया?
आर्य समाज,
उसमें कहाँ लिखा है कि
आर्य समाज में जनाब,
मुझे ये बताओ आर्य समाज में कहाँ लिखा है मैरिज वेलिडेशन एक्ट में दैट यू कैन इशू सर्टिफिकेट?
नहीं, आर्य समाजी बन गई वो तो डिक्लेरेशन।
ऐसे नहीं होता।
स्टेट हैज टू रेगुलेट इट मैन।
रेगुलेट नहीं, ये आप यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ हैवॉक। कल के दिन आप मौलवी बन जाओगे, एक ट्रस्ट डीड बनवा लोगे और फिर क्या करोगे? हिंदू लड़के को मुस्लिम बना के बोलोगे निकाह हो गया। क्योंकि हम तो आर्य समाज वाले हैं, हमारे यहाँ जात पात कुछ चलता नहीं है और इसलिए मुसलमान बोलता है मैं हिंदू बन गया तो सर्टिफिकेट दे रहा हूँ। ये गोरख धंधा बंद करो
जनाब, आज से ही बंद।
तो बोलो
मेरी तरफ से I undertake before this honorable court, if it is unlawful practice, I will
100% unlawful है, because you have no authority in law to issue a certificate.
As per certificate is concerned, it is only her declaration.
No, it is not done. It is not done.
Okay,
it is not a mere. There is a sanctity attached to a religion. Whether you practice Hindu religion or you practice any other religion, including Muslim religion, they have their own laws.
she adopted on her own. She embraced.
It's not a question of she has come on her own. It's a question. It's a question that whether how a Hindu is converted to Muslim or vice versa. There are certain ceremonies. There are certain.
Chanting Gayatri mantra, I have written on my counter affidavit.
So I think
chanting of Gayatri.
You better argue the matter. That will be better.
My lord, this trusted act will remain because I am not confident on. But as for this is the register,
वो क्या है वो? It appears that you have taken briefing while coming to the court on corridor. So therefore, you are not aware of the law. You first come prepared.
I will prepare it. I will prepare it.
Are you?
But I have not converted this. What I do.
You have to answer many questions. Number one,
I will answer.
Status of this institution, how it is a trust, under which act you are registered. Number two, whether the trust which is styled itself as Arya Samaj Vivah Mandir, does it have any recognition? Number three, whether it has any authority in law to issue marriage certificate. Number four, knowing well that the girl is a Muslim, can an Arya Samaj alleged Mandir can solemnize a marriage of a Hindu boy with a Muslim girl on a just statement that I have converted into a Hindu religion? You are creating total disturbance in society.
As for my purpose,
and this man, in fact, there no possibility that possibility can't be ruled out that this man may be prosecuted for doing illegal admission. Faisal, I am appointing you as a amicus in this case to assist this court, and also as regards the intricacies involved in the matter of conversion of a Hindu into Muslim or Muslim into Hindu, that we can give a composite order and also ensure that, because if it tantamounts to fraud, then the man should go behind bars.
Please, man.
देखिए, Shri so and so for the petitioner, I'm banging on you regarding, give me the literature of Muslim law which talks of convergence. Shri so and so for the petitioner, Shri Raghuvanshi with Shri Devendra Chaube for respondent number
State.
Respondent state. So and so with Shri so and so बलवंत सिंह नाम लिखवाओ उनसे। हाँ लिखो, नाम लिखो, उनको दो, नाम लिख के दो। Balwant Singh so and so with so and so for number 6. Full stop. Following serious issues arise to address. 1. Whether
Close. 106 के लिए
a self-styled trust allegedly registered as Arya Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust can solemnize marriage between a Hindu boy and a Muslim girl. 2. Whether the said trust has authority in law to issue marriage certificate. 3. Whether the said trust in its aims and objects can do the aforesaid act. No, to indulge in such activity. Next, whether the bylaws of the alleged trust are duly ratified by the Registrar Public Trust or either under Indian Public Trust Act or any other trust or other trust act, if, as or Indian Public Trust or other act, as the document does not reflect under which trust act the instrument is registered as trust. Next, whether on a mere declaration on affidavit, a Muslim person can on affidavit on a notarized affidavit. कहाँ है बच्ची का कहाँ है? Notarized affidavit can convert her religion from Muslim to Hindu, of which the petitioner trust next whether the alleged Vivah Mandir trust can accept such affidavit without verification and issue a certificate of marriage between the petitioner and respondent number and लड़की का नाम क्या है?
हिना
बच्ची हिना हुआ है, respondent है क्या?
हिना खान से
Hina, daughter of Shri Ishtiyaq Khan. Next, whether the MS Hina Khan, resident of Shivpuri, whether the affidavit sworn in front of अध्यक्ष ऑब्लिक सचिव of aforesaid R Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust, Ghaziabad. क्या लिखा? Whether M.S. Hina Khan, resident of, no, ऐसा मत देखो. Whether the affidavit of M.S. Hina Khan, resident of house number 34, ward number 9, मोहल्ला पिछौर शिवपुरी, मध्य प्रदेश, allegedly sown before the President oblique Secretary R Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust, Ghaziabad, has evidentiary value as regards conversion from Muslim community to Hindu community. Next, the competence of Adhyaksh oblique Sachiv R Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust to accept such affidavit next, whether the aforesaid R Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust, in the backdrop of facts, aforesaid facts, is competent to solemnize marriage and thereafter issue a certificate of marriage. Next, under whether such marriage certificate, whether aforesaid trust has competence in law to issue such certificate, such marriage certificate. Next, whether the aforesaid R Samaj Vivah Mandir, whether the alleged R Samaj Vivah Mandir Trust by itself can be held to be an R Samaj Mandir which is solely for the purposes of mandirs. In the social fabric of the country and also penal consequences. Next, whether by a senior police official in Ghaziabad, UP, and there is no identification or verification of their status by known persons. Stop. Next, at this stage, this court hereby appoints Shri Faisal, a prominent advocate of this court, to assist in this court in the context of aforesaid questions. with relevant literature and recitals of Holy Quran.